If you clicked on this video expecting you will get hosting promo code that can save your extra 10% on Hostinger purchase except default discount, then you are wrong, because from this video you can get 20% Hostinger discount. But wait, if you are innocent, you might thinking, oh, I only heard about using Hostinger promo code, we can get 10% discount? So is this video doing fake promises? Or if it's possible to provide 20% discount, then why still online gurus only provide 10% saving deals us? Well, let me show you the behind truth. Actually, Hostinger provide two types of programs for Hostinger service promoters. First one is Hostinger Affiliate Program, which offers 40% commission of your every purchase for promoters and 10% discount for you. That is the one of big reason you found 10% saving deals everywhere. But let's talk about the second program, Hostinger's Referral Program, which is where things get interesting. The referral program offers you a 20% discount on Hostinger purchases. However, only existing Hostinger users can join the referral program. When they recommend Hostinger to others, both parties benefit. They earn a 20% commission and you receive a 20% discount. On the other hand, affiliates don't need to be Hostinger users themselves. So, if you're ready to save big, just click the link in the description. Your 20% discount will be applied automatically. And if this video has been helpful, please give it a like, and I'll be wishing for your business success.